Now, once you check out and you make the payment, that means that they will send you an email, and that email will enable you to have access to your cPanel. Of course, the email is going to give you all the details, but it is your domain name that you have purchased, and then /cPanel, and it will take you over to this kind of login platform. And right here, you will enter in your cPanel login details. Once you get the email from HostGator, you'll have to set up your password, and you'll be able to log into this account. On successful login, boom, you'll come over here to this platform. Now, what you need to do is basically to scroll right down here, come over to the Softaculous app installer, click on WordPress, and basically we are going to use WordPress. WordPress is the leading website or content management system out there that helps you to build websites without any technical skills or any coding knowledge. And this is a platform that we are going to use. At the moment, it powers over 30% of websites on the internet. So once you are here, you are simply going to say install, and by default it will install for you the latest version of WordPress, and your domain name will show up right here. You can give your website a name right under here, site name. Ours is called eNews Channel, actually eNews Central, and then for your latest news. Now, the account admin is a section where you're going to set up your username and password. The username is basically the name that you're going to be using to log into your WordPress website whenever you want to make changes, write new blog posts or new news. The other side, the password that you're going to type in right here is the password you'll always be using into to log in. So it means that you have to save this somewhere safe. So I've already entered my password, and the email address that I will be using right here, or the site email address, is this email address. And I'm going to show you just in a while how to create this kind of email address. You can even choose a site language, and you can leave everything at default, and you simply install. Now, this means that you will be installing WordPress on your new server that you just bought. Now, this will be site number 1 out of the animated websites that you have on this server. Once you are done installing WordPress on your server, you'll even receive an email showing that you've actually installed WordPress on your server, and it will give you all the details of what you have to use, the database name, the username, the password, and all that stuff.